It's recommended to plan your week at the beginning or ending of each week. To get started with your weekly planning, click on the Planning tab. The first section in your weekly planning is for managing your missions and values. A great way to get started with creating your missions and values is through the Create Your Mission link. This will take you through a series of timed questions. Based on your answers, the wizard will populate your missions and values for you. To create a new mission or value, simply click in an empty row on the list and start typing. To edit any mission or value, simply click on the value or mission and select Edit. Here you can change the description, enter notes, or even delete the value. You want to review your missions and values each time you plan your week to make sure your plans and actions stay in line with your missions and goals. The next step in your weekly planning is scheduling your goals. To add a new goal, click the cursor box at the top of the goal list and start typing. Once you have created your goal, you will need to enter the steps you need to take in order to reach your goal. Click to add new step under the appropriate goal and enter this step. To edit any specific goal, click the arrow next to that goal. Here you can create additional steps, set deadlines for your steps, set a deadline for your overall goal, delete the goal if necessary, and even print your goal. Now that your goals are written down, you need to put them into action. Drag and drop the appropriate goal steps onto your calendar to create appointments or onto your task list to create tasks. Now that you have managed your goals for the week, you want to schedule your compass. In the Schedule Compass area, you manage your roles and the big rocks for those roles. Your big rocks are the important things you need to accomplish in order to play each role successfully. The first role of Sharpen the Saw is already there for you. Sharpen the Saw includes physical, social, mental, and spiritual big rocks. Click at the top of the role list in order to create a new role. Now that you have added your role, you want to put in big rocks for that role. Click underneath the role to create the big rock. Once you have created your roles and rocks, you can drag and drop the big rocks onto your calendar and task list as action items for your week. The last section in the weekly planning area is for scheduling your tasks. Here you can give your master tasks a due date by dragging them onto the daily task list, or even drag and drop to create your tasks as appointments on your calendar. And that is how you manage your weekly planning.